Hello and welcome to day 3 on week number 2. My name is Lisette Pompa and today we're gonna flow. So we're not gonna be stopping on a specific posture. We're just trying to move the body as much as possible, putting everything that we have learned from day 1 up to today. Okay? So we're gonna start on a comfortable seated position. Let your hands rest on your legs. Close your eyes, taking 3 breaths there. In and out through your nose. And see if you can connect to your Ujjayi breath. And open your eyes. And we move on to all fours. So come on to your hands and your knees. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips. And all these movements that we're gonna do, they should be feeling more and more, familiar to you. Okay? Cat-cow. We start from the lower back. Inhale, send the tailbone up towards the ceiling. Open the chest as you look forward. Exhale, round the back. Push the flow away from you as you round. Good. One more. Inhale, send the tailbone back. And up, open the chest, look forward. Exhale and rounding. Tuck the tailbone in and push the flow away from you. Inhale, come on to tabletop. Push the flow away from you. Think Tadasana through the upper body. Stretch your right leg back behind you. Tuck your right toes on the floor for a moment. Push the floor. Lift the right foot off the floor a little bit and stretch your left arm forward towards the top of the mat. Good. Find all the length here. Inhale as you stretch out. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, stretch out. Exhale, knee to elbow. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, coming onto back onto all fours. 2 cat-cows. Inhale. The tailbone moves back and up. Open the chest, look forward. Exhale, tuck your tailbone in and round, push the floor. Once again, inhale. Open the chest as you look forward. Press your hands on the floor. Exhale and then push the floor away from you, round the back. Inhale, coming onto tabletop. Stretch your left leg back behind you. Tuck your left toes on the floor. Stretch your left heel back. Lift the left foot off the floor, strong through the arms, push the floor. Stretch your right arm forward, find length from here. Don't collapse on the left arm, keep pushing in, stretch the right arm. Inhale here. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale as you stretch out again. Exhale, knee to elbow. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Inhale back onto all fours. Child's pose. Let your hips stretch back to the heels. Take 1 breath here. And then move again back onto all fours. From all fours, walk your hands. 1 hand bring forward towards the top of the mat. Tuck your toes on the floor. Send the hips back to the heels. Push the flow away from you. Downward facing dog. Lift the hips up and back. And see where you are today with your hamstrings. How your legs feel. Do you need to keep them bent? Can you straighten them out a little bit? Extend and rotate the arms as you push the flow away from you. Relax the neck. Focus 1 spot. Good. Inhale, lift the right leg back and up towards the ceiling. Exhale, step your right foot forward in between the hands. Low lunge. Lower your left knee down to the floor. Bring your hands to the right thigh. As you go into the deepest variation of these, once again, engage through the lower belly. Pull the lower belly in. Send the tailbone down a little bit. Create some support. Interlace your fingers. Bring them behind the head and just open the chest a little bit. As you let your head kind of rest on your hands, once again, supporting that lower belly. And at the same time, sending the hips forward too. Good. Come back to center. Bring your hands, palms together. Twist towards your right. Left elbow on your right knee. Press your palms and twist towards your right side. Relax the gaze, shoulders back away from the ears. Good. Come back to center, hands down to the floor, half splits. Send your hips back, straighten the front leg as much as it goes, and then fall forward onto the right leg. Use your blocks if you need to. Pull the right hip back, fall forward. One more breath here. Gonna inhale, rebend on your front leg, hands to the floor, downward facing dog. Stepping back with the right foot. Inhale, bring your left leg back and up to the ceiling. Exhale, step your left foot forward in between the hands, low lunge, right knee down to the floor. Bring your hands to your left thigh. Take a moment here as you go into the deepest. Once again, pull the lower belly in, send the tailbone down a little bit. Just finding that strength through the lower belly. Interlace your fingers, place your hands behind the head, and let the chest open. Good. Come back to center. Bring your hands, palms together. Twist towards your left side and hook your right elbow to the right knee as you twist over towards your left. Can you breathe normal? Relax your face. There you go. Bring your hands back to center, half splits. Send your hips back, straighten your front leg, and fold over that left leg. Send your left hip back. Relax the neck and the face. Inhale, rebend on your left leg. Step back, downward facing dog. Look forward towards your hands. Inhale, bend your knees, get high in your toes. Exhale, step or jump forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold in. Hinge from your hips. Inhale, come all the way up to stand. The arms move up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Finding Tadasana at the front of the mat. Press the four corners of your feet on the floor. Lift the kneecaps, pull the belly in, find length through the whole body. Look forward, smile. Sun salutation A. Inhale, lift the arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, hinge from your hips, fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, step back. Chaturanga on the same exhale. So plank and chaturanga move together. Inhale, lift up, upward facing dog. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. And feel free to move a little bit slower if you need. Look forward towards your hands. Inhale, bend your knees, get high on your toes. Exhale, step or jump forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, come all the way up to stand. The arms move up towards the ceiling. Exhale, hands to your heart. Tadasana. One more time, sun salutation A. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, step back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, lift up, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward, bend your knees, get high on your toes. Exhale, step or jump forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, come all the way up. Arms over the head, reach up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Sun salutation B. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, belly to thighs, fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, lift up, upward facing dog. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg back and up to the ceiling. Exhale, step your right foot forward in between the hands. Warrior one, left heel down. Inhale, reach the arms up towards the ceiling. Send your left hip forward, right knee forward, arms up. Chest facing towards the top of the mat. Then bring your hands back to the floor. Vinyasa or downward facing dog, your choice. Inhale, bring your left leg back and up to the ceiling. Warrior one, exhale, step your left foot forward, right heel down on the floor. Inhale, reach up with the arms. Find that length through the back legs, and your left knee forward, the arms stretch up towards the ceiling. Bring your hands back to the floor. Vinyasa or downward facing dog at your own pace. Take a moment and modify as you need to. Look forward towards your hands. Inhale, bend your knees, get high on your toes. Exhale, step or jump forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold in. Inhale to chair pose, hips down, arms up. Exhale, hands, palms together, standing up. Good. Sun salutation A. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, lift up, upward facing dog. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. We move on to a flow. So remember everything you've learned these days. Inhale, lift the right leg back and up to the ceiling. Remember your options. Exhale, step your right foot forward in between the hands. Warrior two. Drop that left heel down to the floor. Inhale, and open the arms out to the sides. Check your alignment, heel to heel. Right knee on top of your right toes. Look forward towards your right fingertips. Inhale, bring your right palm up to the ceiling. Exhale, reverse your warrior. Stretch up and back to the wall behind you. Come back to warrior two. Pause. Side angle pose. Right elbow to your right knee. Left arm moves forward towards the top of the mat. And the legs are still in warrior two. The right knee is exactly on top of the right toes on that same direction. Bring your left hand to your waist. We're going to add one more posture to our flow. Half moon pose. You're going to stretch your right fingertips forward, catch a block, and you're going to come forward to stand on your right leg and your right hand. Send your left leg back towards the wall behind you, towards the back of the mat. And then start to open that left hip up towards the ceiling, that left shoulder up towards the ceiling. You can stay here, or you can lift your left arm up towards the ceiling. You can stay here, or you can try to look up towards your left hand. Yes, that's a tricky part. Take a moment, or everything is tricky about this. Can you still find your Tadasana here? As you move. The lower belly in from ribs back, lengthen through back heel. One more breath here. Good. Focus one spot with your eyes. Warrior two. Rebend on your front legs and your right foot back to the back of the mat. Woo! As you open the arms out. Good. Circle the arms down to the floor. Vinyasa or a downward facing dog. Your choice. There you go, left side. Inhale, bring your left leg back and up to the ceiling. Exhale to warrior two. Left foot steps forward, right heel on the floor. Inhale and open the arms out to the sides. Heel to heel. Left knee on top of your left toes. Fingertips stretching forward and back. Inhale, bring your left palm up. Exhale, reverse your warrior. Stretch up and back. Come back to warrior two, pause. Side angle pose, bring the left elbow to your left knee. Send your right arm forward towards the top of the mat, palm facing down. Can you find that length from your right fingertips to the right heel? Keep your left knee on the same direction as the left toes. Reach forward and back. Half moon, bring your right hand to your waist. Stretch your left fingertips forward to the top of the mat. With control, come forward to stand on your left foot. Send your right leg back. Can you find the balance here? Open your right arm up towards the ceiling. Can you find the balance here? Can you start looking out to the side? Maybe up towards your right hand. If you lose the balance, don't worry, come back to it. It happens all the time. Keep reaching up, back, down, and forward. All directions. One more breath here. Focus one spot. Slide bend on your left knee, warrior two. Step your right foot back, open the arms out to the sides. And circle the arms down to the floor. Vinyasa or downward facing dog, your choice. Again, the Vinyasa, it's a little flow we do in between sets. That would be plank, chaturanga, upward facing, and back to downward facing dog. From here, look forward towards your hands. Bring your feet together to touch. Bend your knees, get high on your toes. We're going to basically step or jump forward to sit on the floor. So you bend your knees and you step one foot and then the other one, and then you sit on your mat. Good. Stretch your legs in front of you and lay on your back. Bridge pose. Bend your legs, hip width distance apart with your feet, arms to the sides of the body, and then lengthen the tailbone. So feel the lower back touching the floor. Press your feet on the floor. Inhale and lift the hips up towards the ceiling. Feel the glutes. You can stay here, or you bring your hands underneath you, interlace your fingers, draw the shoulder blades closer together as you lift the hips a little bit higher. Look up towards the ceiling. There's a little bit of space in between the neck and the mat. One more breath here. And slowly lower your hips back to the floor. Figure four posture. So keep your left foot on the floor and cross the right leg on top of your left leg. Flex the right foot, the toes are pointing back towards your right knee. Lift the left foot off the floor and grab either your hamstring or on top of your left knee with your hands. And then from there, draw that left knee in towards you. You should feel the stretch somewhere on your right glute, on the right outer hip. Some kind of stretching feeling there. Sometimes it works for some of us to kind of push that right elbow onto the right thigh and kind of push away the right thigh as we draw that left knee in. One more breath here. Good. Left foot down to the floor, right foot down. Shake the legs if you need. And then lift the left foot, put it on top of the right thigh, lift the right foot off the floor, and grab again either your hamstring or on top of your right knee, or if you need help with a strap or a towel to catch somewhere, you can use a prop there, absolutely. Flex the left foot, draw the right knee towards your chest, see if you can kind of send the left thigh away from you with the left elbow, relax the right foot, but keep the left foot active. As you draw the right knee towards your chest. Feel the stretch on that left leg, left side. One more breath here. Good. Release, right foot down to the floor. Stretch your left leg down on the mat, spine twist, scoop your hips a little bit to the right. Draw your right knee towards your chest, Scatter with your left hand and draw the right leg over to the left side. Open the right arm out to the right. Close your eyes if you want. Look over towards your right arm. Come back to center. Stretch your right leg down. With your left foot on the floor, scoop your hips a little bit to the left, and then draw your left leg over to the right side. Open the left arm out to the left and twist. And come back to center. Shavasana. Legs down, arms down. Find a comfortable position for you to completely relax. Close your eyes. Find your breath in and out through your nose. Relax your face and smile, because you've done 2 weeks so far, all by yourself. And I will leave you here. Your body will tell you when it's ready to move from Shavasana. I'll see you back next week. Thanks for today. Namaste.